Why did the golden goblet make everyone sneeze? Well, the goblet was very old and covered in a special kind of dust. This dust was magical and made people sneeze whenever they got close. People thought it was a curse, but it was just the dust playing tricks. One day, a clever cat named Whiskers accidentally knocked the goblet into a pond. The water washed away the dust and the sneezing stopped. Everyone laughed, realizing it was just a funny trick. And Whiskers? He became the town hero for solving the mystery